This is Electronic Christmas by Ken Nesbitt. Okay, here we go. I asked for new gadgets for Christmas. My list was 100 lines long. I figured I might as well try it. I mean, what could go wrong? My parents bought me all that I wanted. An iPod, a big screen TV, a laptop, computer, a PlayStation, an Xbox, and a Wii. I got a new Kindle, a smartphone, an RF remote-controlled car, a robot, a video camera, even an electric guitar. But those things were just the beginning. I mean, this Christmas I had such a haul. It took me all morning and then some to finish unwrapping it all. 100 new gadgets to play with? I couldn't be bothered to wait. The moment I plugged them all in, though, I blew every fuse in the state. If you're spending Christmas in the darkness and can't play your video games, I'm sorry for all of the trouble. It's probably news to blame. I know I shouldn't be greedy, so next year I think you'll be fine. Instead of 100 new gadgets, I'm asking for just 99.